Welcome to Inside Electrical, the podcast powered by the IBA. This is where members and suppliers come together to share ideas, insights and experiences from across the electrical industry. In each episode, we'll go behind the scenes of our sector, exploring the innovations, challenges and opportunities that keep it moving forward. Let's get started.
Good morning.
Good morning or good afternoon.
Indeed, it is. It has tipped over, yeah. Yeah. So, Europa, tell me everything.
Yeah, so Europa are a established manufacturer in the electrical market. We've been going over 50 years now, and we are primarily industrially focused, but we're sort of going through a bit of an evolution process as a business in terms of bringing out exciting new products to the market. One of those products, which I'll go into shortly, is our sort of isolator range. So typically we're known for our isolators, enclosures, our industrial components, but we're also looking at different sort of areas within the market as well that we're sort of exploring, and we're constantly evolving our sort of product range. But as you probably know of Europa, we're very much serving many different branches within the IBA, and we're one of the prominent suppliers within the group as well.
To be fair, I'm new to you, but
yeah, I do quite a bit with Europa.
Yes.
When I think of Europa, I actually think of rotaries.
Exactly, yeah.
And I think I've been buying for an awful long time, which is good, not had a problem. But why is that any different?
Well, so as you see on the face of it, this is just, you'd think, okay, that's just a standard isolator.
Mm-hmm.
But since we've launched the product in August, we've basically changed the game in terms of the actual technology. So we've utilised a lever arm spring mechanism to not replace the traditional screw-in type of torque at the cables and the terminals. But what we've done is we've essentially replaced that and incorporated a lever arm spring mechanism. Now, there's many different key benefits to this, and the key one being it's more durable and more reliable than your typical screw-in at the terminals. Just think about like an isolator in a harsh environment. So, if it's on a building site and there's a lot of vibrations, or if it's with an application or an appliance where it's on a train station and there's a lot of vibrations, over time those screw-in at the terminals can come loose. What this does is it just clamps it down, utilising that spring mechanism. And the other benefit as well is for your contractors. So your contractors are going to save a stack load of time.
Yeah.
If they've got 40, 50 isolators on a job per se, you're looking at saving 10 to 15 minutes per installation per unit.
Oh, really?
It's something in our industry that's really taken over.
Absolutely.
And people are now getting so used to using it. The suspicion that people had. I mean, I remember when that little connector came out that we mustn't mention.
Yeah.
Nobody ever wanted to use them. And the rep gave me some samples, and I did a job in our warehouse myself, changed the fluorescents to LEDs. I'll try them. Oh, life-changing.
Yeah.
We sell thousands of them now.
Yeah.
And light fittings have gone that way. And, I've never thought of this.
No one has in the market. We're the first.
No.
That shocked me, that did.
Can I?
Yeah, of course you can. Yeah. We're the very first supplier to bring it out to the market. And
when did you launch this?
Just in August. Yeah. So it's really new.
Really new.
Yeah, really new. And
what sizes are you going up to?
Yeah, so in terms of the sizes, we're doing 20 amp, 25 amp and 32 amp, all 3-pole neutrals. So in 4-pole in essence.
Smart, that, isn't
it's a really nice bit of gear. And like I said, it's got the knockouts at the top and at the back as well. What we've done as well is against our traditional isolators, we've increased the length actually on the enclosure. So it's a polycarbonate enclosure as well, so it's resistant to harsh environments as mentioned. And it's a really nice bit of kit.
Yeah, the earth terminals are still screwed.
That's already been picked up and fed back, and we're working on that. That's all.
No, I mean...
Yeah, no, definitely, yeah, just to make it completely plug and play.
You have to use a screwdriver and...
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
The thing with these terminals I've found in lighting and everything else that's come along is the consistency of connection, that you can give it to an apprentice, you can give it to the The old guy won't
Absolutely,
like it
Even
because he
me.
can't use a screwdriver.
No, he likes to.
I wasn't going to say anything like that. That's unfair. We have lady electricians in our place, and they are probably amongst the most capable that we
I
deal
wouldn't
with.
trust me with it.
Well, all right, but whoever's fit that, they're all the same. There's no difference in torque.
No, and that
Somebody doesn't. Somebody who over tightens it. That's the biggest problem with it, and they're the ones that back off.
Yeah, they are absolutely,
Yeah.
and then it causes them a headache if they revisit it as well. So it just completely eliminates that.
I really like that.
Yeah.
Well done, you.
Yeah, I know.
Well done, Europa.
You well done, Europa. Yeah,
Yeah.
and that's part of what we're doing as a company. As you know, we're sort of evolving in terms of bringing out innovative new products to the market. We've got a couple coming up in due course.
Okay.
Which I can't say any more in terms of the information on. But again, it's more of a watch this space and sort of think about what we've launched in terms of into other applications as well.
You know when you think you can't be surprised anymore sometimes?
Yeah,
Our
yeah.
industry,
I've got
and
to
then
say,
we just got...
I've got to say, we've got to talk about rotary isolator.
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like getting the cat out the bag, you know.
I've been selling them for 40 years. I mean, what are you going to do with that? And fair dues. That's
Another thing,
simple, isn't it?
it's so simple. It's DIN railed as well, so you can take a whole
I saw
block
that, yeah.
out of the actual enclosure. So,
are you going to sell that in component for panel use? You know, where you put them on a DIN rail and you have the arm and the.
Yeah, it's a good question actually, and I can't answer that.
I've got a customer who likes to buy them, but with that, and then they fit them onto a control panel in the door opening one with the arm through.
Oh, really? Okay,
Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah, that's
it's not a massive market, but it is a market that's there. That these guys control heat pumps.
Yeah,
they make little panels up, and they buy bits, and the control handle is on the front, so you have to turn it off to be able to control, and then they open the panel to get into it.
My cogs are already thinking, because I'm already thinking I'm going to speak to our technical department to see, what.
But the thing is, you've already got that. You've already got that.
Idea.
You've already got that.
You
just need that as an independent item and the arm.
The arm. Yeah. That's all you need. Yeah, that's a really good point actually, and I have no doubt it might be already.
It's all right. You can have that. You can have that for free.
We'll have that.
I won't charge. But yeah, I think it's fabulous. I shall come and see you shortly.
Excellent. One of the things that a lot of people don't realise we have is a custom solution department as well. So if you've got anything that's bespoke build from your contractors that you get inquiries with, then nothing's off the table in that relation, because we can use all our components. We can magic anything up. We've got whole mezzanine in terms of a production team, and we anything bespoke. We're the guys to come to.
Come and talk to you in a minute.
Yeah, I've been down to your place in Luton, and it's very impressive. And your technical team are
they're like wizards in the basement.
Especially like me. I'm just like a wholesaler. I'm not contractor led or anything like that. So having somewhere like Europa to go, it solves my problems.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah, that's what I mean. At the end of the day, we're more of a solution. We're not a box shifter. No. So but again, it's just making sure customers giving that sort of visibility on what we do. So there's a lot we can help with you going forward, and and all our customers within the IBA group as well. So
we like different.
Yeah,
different's good.
Yeah,
great stuff. Yeah.
So everybody out there, buy these.
Yes.